Hi, I'm Tony Stefano, Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our Christmas tree stands that we offer on our farm. These stands we have in different sizes. The principles in putting them together are all the same, so it doesn't matter what kind of stand you get. They all kind of function the same way. So let's open it up and we'll put it together. All right, so here's our components. We have our water bowl, we have our top ring, we have 4 legs, we have our 4 screws. So if we read the instructions, step 1 says hook legs onto edge of bowl where the indentations appear. Be sure that the legs are attached at these positions or stand may not support the tree properly. So what we're looking for is this spot right here. We're going to hook the legs into that spot. We're going to do all of them. You coming to help? You got it? You want to come back around this side and help? All right.
I want to put the 4 of these.
Then we put the ring. Step 2, place top ring over legs as shown. Align holes in the legs. Place stand on a flat surface and press ring down into position. Hey, why don't you come on this side?
But all those rings. Why is it not right?
Because I get to sit.
And I can just stand. How rude.
How rude. All right, buddy, line them up.
I can't do it. It's
All right.
stuck.
Step 3, insert 4 screws through the holes in the ring and thread through the holes in the legs. The unit is now locked together, ready for insertion of the tree. Yeah, you're gonna line it up. Going the wrong way, you gotta go this way. 1. 2.
Wobbling, wobbling.
3.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And 4. All right, and there it is, just like that. 3 easy steps to put this ideal Christmas tree stand together. And yeah, sometimes you may have more than 4 legs, some may have 5. So yeah, pretty much it. Thanks for watching.